Hello friends, welcome to Easy Learning with Himal. So today we are going to do article writing. So article writing is a very important topic which comes in your writing section, and it fetches you a lot of marks because it has a high weightage of 10 marks. So generally an article writing question comes in 10 marks. So you have to write the article in around 150 words, and the format of writing article is very easy. The only thing you have to keep in mind that you have to use proper vocabulary and proper grammar in writing an article. So let's see how to write an article. So first of all, what is an article? Article is expression of one's thoughts on an issue or subject. So basically expression of our thoughts, expression of one's thought on an issue or a subject, that is called an article, and it is written in meaningful paragraphs. So it is very important to divide your article into 2 to 3 meaningful paragraphs. Now let's look up to the format of article writing. ठीक है, तो फॉर्मेट जो आर्टिकल राइटिंग का होता है बहुत इजी होता है. सेंटर में आपको सबसे पहले लिखनी है हेडिंग, and the heading should be very catchy and very sharp heading so that it attracts the attention of the readers. और heading के center से you have to write by and the name of the person who is writing the article. For example, I am writing the article, so I will write my name by Himal, and you have to underline the heading. Afterwards, you have to straight away start with your main body, which is divided into 3 paragraphs. Para 1, Para 2 and Para 3. So I will explain how to write each paragraph. So let's start off with Para 1. So in paragraph 1, you can start with a slogan because it impresses the reader. You can start with a slogan, you can start with a question, you can start with an amazing fact or figure, or you can start with a statement and a brief introduction about the article. So when you start with a slogan or amazing fact, it impresses the reader. So always try to learn some of important amazing facts or slogan. Otherwise, you can give a brief introduction to the topic. For example, if I'm writing an article on pollution, so in this paragraph 1, I will describe the definition of pollution. Okay, or I can give the amazing fact about the pollution level or something just to introduce it. Then comes your Para 2. In Para 2, you have to explain the causes, you have to explain the effects, and third, you have to explain the present state or present condition. So Para 2, it contains a maximum word limit. Para 1 and Para 3 are generally small, but Para 2 has a very great length. So you can write causes also, effects also, and present state also. ठीक है, अगर आप pollution पे article लिख रहे हो तो you have to mention what are the causes of pollution. You have to explain them. Then what are the effects of pollution on the life of human beings, and what is the present state at present, what are the effects pollution is having in our life. So all these 3 aspects you have to cover in this paragraph 2. Then your Para 3. Para 3 is your concluding paragraph. In Para 3 you have to write your solutions and your conclusions. Like same example, you're writing an article on pollution, so you have to write solutions in this para 3, that how can we control the pollution, and with 2 to 3 beautiful lines you have to end your article. So the concluding line इस तरह से लिखनी कि वो conclusion की तरह लगे. Clear? So this is very very easy to write an article. Just use proper English in that and divide your article into 3 paragraphs. Give a nice heading, write the author name, and 10 में से 10 तो नहीं मिलते according to CBSE आर्टिकल राइटिंग में, बट यू कैन फेच easily 9 marks out of 10. So if please like my video, comment. अगर आपको किसी भी चीज़ में डाउट है तो आप कमेंट करिए, शेयर अमंग विद योर क्लासमेट्स एंड फ्रेंड्स, एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल फॉर more videos. Thank you.